Morning students of class 8. Exercise 1b is continue, and today we are going to solve question number 3. The question is, verify the closure property of addition for 2 by 3, 7 by 8 and minus 4 by 5. This is a closure property. At starting I want to say, if the sum of these three rational numbers will give you a rational number, then closure property is satisfied. So let us try it. We find the sum of these three: 2 by 3, 7 by 8 plus minus 4 by 5. We can write 2 by 3 plus 7 by 8 minus 4 by 5. Now you find LCM of 3, 8 and 5. That is equal to 5 8 is 40 and 3 120. So LCM became 120. We divided this LCM by this denominator, we got 40. 2 into 40, 80 plus 8 1 ja 8, 4 40, 8 5 ja 40, 15, 15 7 ja 105 minus 5 2 ja 20, 5 4 ja 5 2 ja 10, 20, 5 4 ja 20, 14. 5 2 is 20 and 5 4 is 24. 24 into 4, 4 4 is 16, 4 2 is 8 and 1 9, equal to 185 minus 94 by 120. In this part implies that this plus this equal to 185 minus 94 by 120. This is followed here. 185 minus 94 by 180 not implies that. Equal to 5 minus 4 1, 18 minus 9 9 by 120 is a rational number. So closure property is satisfied. Closure property is satisfied. Verify the commutative property of subtraction for 8 by 15 and 9 by 10. Question number 4. Commutative property of subtraction will be satisfied if this minus this is equal to this minus this. Or we write commutative property of subtraction is satisfied if A by B minus C by D is equal to C by D minus A by B. At first we find A by B minus C by D. A by B here 8 by 15 minus 9 by 10, that is C by D. LCM is 150 divided by this denominator we got 10 into 8 80 minus we divided this by this 10 we got 15 into 9 135 is equal to 5 and 5 minus 55 by 155. If we simplify it, it became minus 11 by 30. Now we write C by D minus A by B, that is 9 by 10 minus 8 by 15. LCM became 150. This 10 15 is also 15 into 9 equal to 135 minus 80. This is equal to 55 by 150 is equal to 11 by 30. So in this case what are saying? In this case we are seeing that 8 by 15 minus 9 by 10 is not equal to 9 by 10 minus 8 by 15. So subtraction of two rational numbers does not satisfy commutative property. This became the answer. So that minus 7 by 9 into 2 and 3 by 4 is equal to 2 and 3 by 4 into minus 7 by 9. So first of all, we write LHS equal to minus 7 by 9 into 2 and 3 by 4, that is equal to minus 7 by 9 into 11 by 4. This became equal to minus 77 by 36. Now take RHS equal to 2 and 3 by 4 into minus 7 by 9 equal to 11 by 4 into minus 7 by 9 equal to minus 77 by 36. LHS equal to RHS proved. Question number 6. Verify closure property of division for minus 1 by 5 divided by 2 by 3. This is the symbol of division. In this case, closure property will be satisfied if this division will give you a rational number. Let us try that. Minus 1 by 5 divided by 2 by 3 minus 1 by 5 into 3 by 2. As we change the symbol in the symbol of multiplication, then this fraction will be written as the reciprocal form. It is equal to minus 3 by 10 is a rational number. So closure property of division is satisfied. closure property of division is satisfied. This became the answer. In question number 7, show that 1 by 9 is divided by 1 and 1 by 3 is not equal to 1 and 1 by 3 is divided by 1 by 9. So for that we solve at first LHS. LHS is 1 by 9 is divided by 1 and 1 by 3 equal to 1 by 9 is divided by 4 by 3 is equal to 1 by 9 into 3 by 4 is equal to 3 3 is 9, 1 by 12. Now we solve RHS. RHS equal to 1 and 1 by 3 is divided by 1 by 9 is equal to 4 by 3 is divided by 1 by 9, or we can write 4 by 3 into 9 by 1. 3 3 is 9 equal to 12. Therefore 1 by 9 divided by 1 and 1 by 3 is not equal to 1 and 1 by 3 is divided by 1 by 9. Proved. In question number 8, fill in the blanks. This blank is here. We are asked to fill here. What will you fill? This side in LHS, we are seeing 2 by 3 plus 4 by 7. And in RHS, 4 by 7 plus dash dash dash. So in dash dash dash, what will you fill? You see, in this portion, what is left? 4 by 7 is already written here. This 2 by 3 is left. So in the empty place, you will write 2 by 3. Roman number 3, that is 5 by minus 11 into 2 by 7 into equal to 2 by 7 into dash 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 dash. What will you fill in this empty place? So what is left? 2 by 7 is written here already. This 2 by 7 is written here. 5 by minus 11 is left in RHS. So we will write here 5 by minus 11. Roman number 6, 7 by 9 plus dot 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 bracket closed is equal to 7 by 9 plus 4 by 3. So in LHS, 7 by 9 is written here, that is also in RHS. So what is given in RHS that is not written in LHS, that is 4 by 3. So we will write here 4 by